Hey guys, here with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, and I wanted to show you very easy do-yourself maintenance with the replacement of the air conditioning cabin filter. Very simple job. It's something that the dealership would charge you $75 to $100 to do, and you could do it yourself. Just one thing to note is make sure obviously the car is turned off and that the charging cable is not connected, because that can interfere. There's a cooling system, so you want to make sure you don't have the charging cable connected and the car is completely off and nothing, it's not charging. All right, so with that said, on the 2023 Prius Prime, it's a little different, but first step is pretty much very similar to Toyota's when you're doing the cabin filter. The first step is you want to make sure you empty out the glove compartment, and then this little plastic piece here, you just want to pull it. That's the little control arm. Just basically put that out of your way. And let me see if I can do this. I'm going to try to do this with, let's see if I can get the camera over here for you. You're just going to pull in the sides of the glove box. That's the easiest way, and let it hang down. And you're very gently pull it towards you so you don't break it. The other step is right here. So what you're going to do is there's these little tabs that are a little different on the Prius Prime. So you're going to just pull that towards you. And there's also the same tabs on the other side. So I find it's easier to do it from the right or the left, but you have to pull them in. And then you just basically put that cover away. And there's a little cartridge holder. As you can see, it tells you the direction of the filter. So we're going to pull that out, and we're just going to quickly swap the filter. That's pretty straightforward. So just pull it down. That's the old one. New one, just make sure the airflow is correct. It's facing up. So, and again, there's like these little tabs, so just make sure it's flush. It's down all the way, so it goes back in, and you're just going to make sure it's the 3 and the up is facing the right position. Put it back in. That's it. And the cover, again, make sure the 3 is facing the right way. Sorry. And you're just gonna very gently reinstall it. And on the glove compartment thing, on the drawer, you don't have to pull it, fully push it in, just nice and gently. Just there you go, it'll automatically snap in. Just make sure the 2 tabs on the right and the left clear when you hear that snap, and then basically pull down your control arm. See that? Just put that back on, and if you did it right, it should close with no issues, right? And it's working. And that's it, guys. So that will save you about $75 to $100. You do it yourself. And I found I've had the car about a year, so I was noticing in the mornings when I was turning on the AC, it started to smell a little bit. So the filter was definitely in need of replacement. So there you go. So next time you can save yourself some money, because what normally happens on some of the dealerships when you go in, when you're doing like standard service, you know, oil change, tire rotation, they'll always check the filter, and they'll come out to you and say, hey, they'll show you the filter, and they'll ask you if you want to do a service. So I basically just do it myself. The Prius Prime is a little bit different than earlier models, but honestly, as you saw, it's not really that hard. Anyway, hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe, and thanks again for watching. Take care.